Send it. What's going on, everybody? Millions are smiling right now because of what you and I are watching on the screen. You know, it might not be today, might not be tomorrow, might not be this week, but make no mistake, we are going to explode and we're going to explode sometime soon. We don't know exactly the day, the time, the hour. But if you've been watching the channel, you and I, we've been preparing diligently every single day, understanding different cryptos, different positions, entries, and what have you. So I just want to tell you, 68 and a half BTC right now. Yeah, not 5%, not 10%, not 20%, but what? Are you just going to wait till that happens to say, oh, we're exploding? Dumb. No. I'm going to tell you some levels. By the end of this video, let's analyze really little by little. But man, our positions, our long positions, our investing long-term positions, our short, margins, leverage positions. There's so many great ones right now that we're really ahead. We're making decent money. And I just want to say, guys, October is coming to an end as far as the month, just a few 12 days, and that's it. But guess what's coming? Moonbember. I know, kind of cliche, right? But November is coming. And November, there's a lot of things that are going to start very early, election, and then what we are anticipating, which is crypto doing phenomenal. There's breaking news right now, when it comes to BRICS. Even I watch a video right now, Rush is saying that they want to use digital assets for stuff for BRICS. So I love what's going on. And we knew there's billions of dollars in, revenues for the asset managers with ETFs, the instruments. They want Solana, they want XRP, they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum. So this is barely starting. I was hearing yesterday on a space that somebody was saying that the Bitcoin or like the main bull market, it's ending, like it's finishing. And I'm like, OMG, is that what people think? Is that what people actually believe, that the Bitcoin bull market it has passed? Obviously, they can think whatever they want, but we're totally seeing it from a different perspective. The best days are about to come. I don't want you to miss it. Wake up, crypto fam, and don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update. And I don't really have to change much, but I will just tiny bit so you understand what we're looking at right now, fam. We love to see the 300, and we love to see some other positions that we are up here on XRP and Ripple and Bitcoin and different crypto. So that's really good. Heavily recommend you take a look at the first link down below, as it seems on the corner of the screen, up to 10,000 welcome bonus on Margex. 60. We're getting closer to 70 people actively trading with me, and it feels really good that I'm not the only one. So I want you to join me. No KYC, right? And just with your email, deposit funds. Can be a lot of money, can be little money. But with leverage, it's just magic. Even if it's $50, you can still make like $500 with a big pump if you decide to do the max leverage. I've done it, and it's really cool how with little money you can make so much money, relatively speaking, right? Now, as of right now, greet the now and the yesterday. That's really nice. Guys, just the last week we were at 32 with literally 2x the values, with 2x the values. And I mean, you're seeing it right here. That means that those degens with me who bought the fear are right now cashing in. If you sell, but I wouldn't personally, not financial advice. Why? Well, I mean, because the best things are about to start. That's the purpose of this video. Now, here's another one, 68 and a half. And I want to show you this. If you come and I show you, this is March. This, guys, is March right here. This is October. What do you see? That we're finally coming closer to that resistance. And that BTC has been obviously on a wavelength. It's been just selling off because people are trying to put the price down. And 49 was the lowest. And I can tell you with a lot of confidence that I don't really see 49,000 BTC anymore. I don't really see it. What I see right now is BTC in the 50s tops and the 60s minimum. So we are about to keep crushing. Now, move on to the Bitcoin rainbow chart. What do we notice? That the Bitcoin price, it's been on a really stagnant, constant, and sideways trading position since literally since May and all the way back to March. We haven't really gone past that, but the price right here, which we were in the huddle, this was 70, right? $70,000 close right here. Now we are not even close to the huddle, and we are at close to 70. Now the yellow is going to be from 80 to $100,000. So the time has passed, and to get to that yellow is now 80 to 100,000. That means we're heading in that direction right now. We're heading little by little, and I gotta say it, maybe whenever you least expect, we're gonna have that beautiful boom pump, and we're gonna be at $80,000, $90,000 BTC, and you and I will be like, oh, he was right. Well, it's not that I'm right. It's just that what's coming to this space, and we've been analyzing the charts, and we kind of know, like, okay, let's just be prepared. BTC right now with 60 and a half. If we go, let's take a look at this one. 4 hour. Look at this. I always like to analyze the 4 hour, in my opinion. The lowest price we saw was on the 10th. So it's been 8 days. That was 58. So we are $10,000 higher. And this, it's been about 16% pump. Now, is the next thing for BTC to go down, since now we're overbought in the 4 hour on my PPF, guys, which is the second link down below if you're interested. I love the signals because it tells me when to buy. Just to give you an idea, here it is. I received my buy signal here. So buying there, that's a 12% so far return on Bitcoin. So it really helps if you're doing leverage on Margex, right? I mean, doing and starting a position right here. And look at this. If you hold it, in about a week, you are making and killing it with crypto. This is why it makes total sense to stay super alert. When you have a sell, take a look at this. Boom. You're prepared. You take your profits if you don't want to short. When you get a buy, boom, you start a position and then it just let it rip. That is if you're doing the 4 hours. If you're doing the 1 hour, things change. Here's one, here's two, here's a sell, here's another buy. You see? So it changes. But for now, we're seeing that Bitcoin, it's sending the signal to the entire market and it wants to run. And I could have been more ready. So start some positions. Oh, here's another one. I have another triple. Oh, let me see. That's the only one. This is only 75% 5x on BTC. This is my secure one. Take a look at when I started this one, 59,000. So the price is gonna come close to 69. So I just did a 5x. So I'm putting myself at a really comfy level. I know, because I've been looking at the price of Bitcoin daily, I know that to go under 56, 57 is super unlikely. So I can easily start 5x, have a lot of wiggle room, and I can do $10,000, $50,000 at 5x. And that's just one of the best strategies to make so much money right now. So I'm doing it. And as we're speaking right now, Bitcoin is sending. Okay, let's go to TradingView right now. There it is. Now, instead of the 1 hour, let's go and change to 15 minutes, because as the price starts moving very fast, we have to close that time frame to see when things are going to start retracing back. So far, let's move to the 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, you're clearly seeing how we are even outside of the panel, outside of the pane. So right here, people either have a choice. This is a battle between sellers and buyers right now. Obviously, sellers have the inclination, have the incentive to sell because they made money already. But will buyers beat them and say, let's just pass and go? Well, that's what we're about to see. Things are changing, guys, and that's what I'm telling you. Crypto is about to explode. Peace.